and I'll lay you to bed. See how I leave every piece of me. Don't underestimate the things I will be. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a deeper place and bringing me out of the dark. The song of yours and me up, repeatedly thinking we could have had it all. The scars of yours and me friends, we could have had it all. Rolling in the sea, you have a heart and soul in your hand, and you played it to the beat. All day and night. What you waiting for? Put your back in it. Just a little more. I haven't been down. And when you finish that, I want your goddamn tongue. Fat bass.
Listen to
The fat bass. Well, I'm having a jolly good time with my Hoover today. Lighting a place like that. Good. Oh, we don't want to buy. I'm so excited. I will play at night. You better do it right. What you waiting for? Put your back in it. Just a little more. What you waiting for? And when you finish that, I want your goddamn tongue. Go now, go now, go now, go now. Come on, come on, come on, come on. She plays like she is a builder. She is a builder. She is a builder. No happy endings unless fairy tales come true. But she looks like a princess and does not fight just to do nothing. She gets humbly masquerade, but up in feeling so well. Looks like the one that you feel builder. That's some work out actually. Woo! Tang yang, keep a bank. She packs a bag for ashes, and she's ready for the right kind of place to come. And she'll say to him, just saying, now we're flying to the moon and back. If you be my baby, got a ticket for a world where we belong. So if you be my baby. Be my baby. Well, I say, people, that was epic. I didn't want that to ever end. Who's ever done the Hoovering and said he felt like dropping an E?